Have a U-line nugget ice maker, cleaned it, tried to start it again and the code 11 came on, left it for a couple weeks when out of town, I turned it off, now it turns on for a second, sounds like it starts to fill up and immediately shuts down, turned breaker off and still getting code 11. How am I to fix this?
When did you last replace your U-line ice maker's water filter?
I never have.
How long has this been going on with your U-line ice maker? What have you tried so far?
To fix the code 11, only have tried to clear the code and unplug it, or should I say turn the breaker off for at least 15 minutes.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Who are you connecting me with? I thought you were appliance connection tech. Is there a charge for this?
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be helping you today. Error code description E11, displayed as 11, water level, tray or reservoir, high. How is your water level in your reservoir?
I have no idea.
Okay. There could be a number of possible issues causing the error 11. Float switch dirty or failed, drain pump and even the control board. But taking apart the ice machine and checking these things is quite involved, so I would recommend calling in a qualified technician to check these things over. But one thing we could try is setting the control settings back to the factory default settings to see if that fixes the problem. I can walk you through it if you like. To enter the service mode. 1. To enter the mode, hold the hidden key or U-line button for 10 seconds. The display will show 0. When in this mode, use the up and down arrows to select the desired option. The light key is the enter key and will initiate the function. If changing a setting, you must press the light key again to retain the changed setting. 2. Scroll until you get to setting number 24, which is defaults. Press and hold for 3 seconds to restore all values to factory defaults. To exit the service mode, scroll to option 0 and press the light key. After 5 minutes of not touching any keys, the mode will also exit automatically. Let me know how it goes. I hope this helped. Let me know if you need any further assistance regarding this issue.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.